Hi, hello, my name is Roger, and this is Getting to Know Funded Forex. In this video, we'll do a challenge comparison. So, if you're trying to decide yourself on what is the best account for you, this video will help you, and that's the objective of it. So, we do have, let me put this here. We do have four type of challenges. We're gonna compare them all as if they were a 10K account. You can see the name of them, you can see the price of them or the cost of them, and I'll go through all of them just for you to be able to really compare them on real time. So the Elite Challenge, just for you to have a reference of it, it's the highest daily drawdown that we offer. The Unlimited Challenge is the one that has no time period for you to go through the assessment stage, through verification and through the evaluation. And the instant funding accounts are the type of challenges that you don't have to pass these assessment stages. You're funded since day one. They're a little bit more expensive, but this is because what your the cost of it is what we deposit to a margin account with our liquidity providers. So these type of accounts, it's a sweet spot in between the HFT kind of platforms in which you don't need to pass a challenge, but it's pretty risky to buy an account with those kind of companies, and the trustworthiness of working with a real platform that has real infrastructure, leverage, broker, and all of it that you need for you to be successful in the real market. So the Elite Challenge and the Unlimited Challenge, they both have two evaluation stages. In both of them, you have to go for the first profit target to 10%, and the second phase it's a 5%. Both of them are the same. On the instant funding account, you don't have evaluation stages. You're funding since day one. There's no profit target for them. Um, what's the main difference between the Elite and the Unlimited? The Elite one has a daily loss of 8% and a max loss of 11%, and the Unlimited is 6 and 10%. So we do have a higher daily drawdown in the Elite Challenge, but what's different? The trading days. So in the Elite Challenge, you do have a max period of days for you to pass challenges or phase one and phase two. For phase one, you need 5 trading days, minimum trading days, and maximum 35 calendar days since you enter your first trade. And for phase two, it's also 5 minimum trading days, and you're allowed to go up to 70 calendar days for phase two. In our unlimited account, you're also looking for a 10% and a 5% profit target. And for the trading days for phase one, you need 10 minimum trading days. And from there, it's unlimited as long as it takes you to pass them. And for the phase two, it's also 10 minimum trading days and unlimited until the future, until you pass them. The payout is weekly in the Elite. The payout on the Unlimited is bi-weekly. The payout on the Instant Funding Conservative is also bi-weekly. And then the Instant Funding Aggressive account is bi-weekly. On these two accounts, as I said before, there's no profit target, no minimum trading days. The profit split on the Elite and the Unlimited is the same one. It's 80-20, 80 for you. And the instant funding account, the conservative, it's 50-50%. And on the aggressive one, it's 70-30%. The leverage is both on the funding instant funding account is 1 to 30. On the Elite one is 1 to 100. It's our highest leverage account. And the Unlimited is 1 to 50. If you see the difference from the price, the Elite and the Unlimited, they share the same cost or the same price. They're both you can both get refunded this cost once your first payout is approved. On this accounts, there's no refund since there's no challenge for you to pass on. The difference from the account is the price. Then from this one, it's basically the 5%, the max loss that you're able to lose from your 10K account. That's the cost of it. So basically, the cost is what we're depositing into a margin account with our liquidity providers. And on the instant funding aggressive mode, the cost of it's $900. And if you see, the max loss of the account is 10%. So you're able to go all the way into $1,000 drawdown or max loss of the account, which would put the company to put risk on our end or skin in the game, $100 extra for you. So basically, this is the differences between the accounts. It all depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for more days to trade on the phase one and phase two, if you're looking for higher drawdown, if you're looking to trade since day one, we have the account that's best for you regarding your necessities. And the basic general rules of our accounts, we don't allow copy trading in between our accounts. So let's say that you have one, two, three, four accounts with us. You're not allowed to copy trade in between them. You should treat them and trade them separately. If you have another account in another prop firm or in another broker, a live account, you're able to send trades from those accounts to your funded forex account as long as the accounts are under the same KYC. Let's say that there's another account from another trader and you want to receive trades from them, you're not allowed to do that. And if you want to share trades in between underfunded forex users, that's also not allowed. If you want to trade news trading, you're allowed to do so. You just have to buy the news trading add-on, and you would be good to go. If you don't buy the add-on, you can't trade high impact events, which would be this red folder events in Forex Factory 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after. And you're allowed to do weekend holds or holding trades from one day to another one without the need to buy anything. Just be mindful of the risk that this could involve due to weaken gaps because of major economic events. Prohibited trading strategies across all our accounts. You're not allowed to do HFT, high frequency trading, arbitrage, hedging accounts between other users, latency, reverse trading, gambling behavior trading. We want traders with good risk management. We want traders with a legit trading strategy. And if you think that you're trying to hack your way into the system or find a way between the rules, just don't do it. Don't lose your time. Don't lose your money. Just trade normally. That's if you're a normal trader, you're more than welcome to trade with us. And the martingale and grid strategies, because I know there's a lot of people that they're a fan of using EAs or strategies, manual strategies with these kind of risk management styles. You're allowed to do so in the evaluation and verification stage. You're not allowed to use them in the funding stage. The only funded stage that you're allowed to use these kind of strategies are in the instant funding accounts because it's your money basically what you're able to lose. So you know how to handle your money. What's martingale? Martingale is any strategy that goes into a trading sequence that is exponential as it increases in lots and the number of trades. And a grid trading strategy would be that strategy or risk management in which you go and DCA your position once price goes against you. Let's say you're in your first trade, price goes against you, you go into a second trade. We don't have an issue with that. If you want to go into a third trade, you would have to first close your first trade, just keep the second one open, and then open the third one. Let's say that you want to go into a fourth trade. You would have to close your second trade first, just keep the third one open, and then you're allowed to open the fourth one. If you want to do these kind of trading, you're allowed to do so in our assessment stages, which is the eval and the verification stage. And the funded stage, you're not allowed to do so. So just be mindful of that. You're only allowed in the instant funding accounts. So this is our basic general rules. Please go into the frequent answer question section that we do have in our website or a schedule of assessment where you can go and look into further details of our accounts. I hope this video was helpful for you to decide which is the best account for you. Happy trading. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.